everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day and staying safe. I have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Comes in a box like this. So let's go ahead and get into it. Got my blade. Alright, almost in. Alright, we're in. And let's see what we got. Oh, okay, we got a little bag, so that's good. Alright, and this is all bubble wrapped. Oh, this is Ted's Louis Vuitton refill. So I'll give you a little heads up on how to go about doing that if you're interested. This is his bottle here. It has EFD on it, and it was completely empty, and we sent it into Louis Vuitton and they refilled it for us. So it has the, yeah, that smells really good. And this is all magnetic.
You getting samples?
Yeah, I got a few samples, it looks like. Alright, so I'll give you the process on how you go about refilling. Basically, you want to contact the store or client services, and they will send you a label, a return label, and you put your empty bottle in the box with bubble wrap, and you send it off to Louis Vuitton, and then they go ahead and refill it in their fountain. They have a special, you know, fountain that they do the refills apparently. And they refill your bottle for you, charge you. It's about half the cost. And then they ship it back to you like what they did today for Ted. So that's his bottle. And they wrapped it up in bubble wrap. Okay, let's see what else they sent. Oh, okay, they sent me a dust cover for my Alma PM. So that was nice. Right. All right, and they sent the receipt. Comes in these little ones now. They used to be longer, but now they're shorter. And they sent me 4 perfume samples. Alright, so that's cool. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated, because when I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a fantastic giveaway. So make sure that you ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload videos, and it's quite often. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from Senior Point of View. Have a great day, guys, and stay safe. Bye now.